Hi there, this is Darla Boljat. I'm from Portland, Oregon. I'm an artist and an inventor, and I'm sharing with you today, this is part 2 of the first video that was how to keep your hummingbird feeders from freezing. So in Oregon, our Annas Hummingbirds need their food year-round because they live here year-round, and they even have nests year-round, I've learned. So anyway, what I want to share with you is the different types that I made as time was going on and I was figuring out how to do this. So I have my first version, and this one's like maybe the best, I don't know. No, I'm just kidding. But the S-hooks go in here and they hang right below your hummingbird feeder. And I'll show you an example of that in a minute. But this is incandescent bulbs. This is not LED. LED isn't gonna get warm, so it won't do any good. You'll just be lighting up the hummingbird feeder to, you know, make it festive for them, I guess. But this, the incandescent will keep it nice and warm. So I just put all of the, like not all of, some of them up into the bottom of the cup so that they are just kind of here, but they're still below where the hummingbird feeder is going to be hanging. And there's still plenty of warmth coming up. The manufacturer of the lights would say, do not do this. So I'm not saying go against their recommendations. I'm just saying what I do. So this is what I do. They're hanging there, and then the rest of these are just lit up. So I can show you an example of what it looks like. This is a hummingbird feeder with it on there, and you can kind of see the gap. See the gap between the feeder and the, this is actually a canning funnel so that you can, you know, put your fruit into a mason jar. But it just kind of hangs here. If it comes off or whatever, you can just put it right back on, and it's not that difficult to set up the first time around. And then you just take it off you take them off by the S-hooks when you clean out the feeder, which I clean mine out weekly in the wintertime, but the whole line just hangs down. I don't care. I don't care what the neighbors think. It's fine. I want the hummingbirds to be able to eat their food and not have it freeze. So there's other versions that I did, and this is just making trips to Dollar Tree. So I can show you those in video 3 because I'm out of time, sorry. So I'll be back in video 3. I hope that you like this video, and I hope you subscribe. Thank you.